take us into is the My Network section. As teachers, we can see the network structure of our class here. So here we've clicked on My Network and we're filtered to Mr. Heath's classroom. And we have a couple things going on here. We can see that Mr. Heath's class is tied to St. Edward's Elementary here at the top. If Mr. Heath wants to edit his class name, he can click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner there and change that. He can also go and invite co-administrators to his class. So here's Jeremy. We can tell that he owns his classroom because he does not have one of these upside down arrows. He is accompanied here by Ben Marshall, who's the principal. The principal of the school, or the main administrator of the school, gets placed into all classrooms automatically. And then you can see here that he's invited in Carrie Boydston, and her invitation is pending right now. So this may be a co-teacher or maybe a substitute teacher that assists in his classroom that he's invited in to be able to post and to essentially do the same things that he can with his group, with his classroom. He would do another invite here if he needed another administrator. He would click on invite and then be able to search the school directory by searching contacts, or he can put someone's email directly here and send an invite. You'll also be able to change the message that goes out from him relative to this invite. Send invite, and that'll go out. The next thing we'll notice is the parents layer here. If we open this up, we'll see parents. All of this shows all of our parents that are attached and the students that are attached to those parents. So you can see a full list of everybody that's connected to the classroom here. He does have the ability to delete individual parents from his classroom. Also, you can create a group code to help join parents from your classroom to your classroom by group code. You can add other parents that are already in the school to your classroom by selecting this and searching the school directory if that's available. And then you can also invite parents in via email, and it will prompt them to go to Livingtree and create an account and then add their student into your classroom. Now, one of the things I like to talk about right here is that if your school is being updated from the school's SIS system, all of this is automatic and you will not need to create group codes or invite parents. Again, if your school is being updated with the SIS system and not being managed locally within the administrator of the school, you will not need to do any of this here. Your parents should automatically be connected. If for whatever reason you see a parent not connected to your class, that means that, and your school is sending the data to us, that means that something has not come over via the SIS system, and we need to make sure that that is correct on the school side. So those changes need to be made on the school side so we can update Livingtree and make sure that they're synced correctly. So I would caution anyone from deleting any parents or adding any parents unless you know for certain that you have the ability to add those and that your school is self-managing their Livingtree account. For schools that have student accounts, so maybe middle schools and high schools, you would also be able to see a list of your students connected here at the bottom. And that is the My Network section.